this was my third video I posted. Yeah, in one video, I got 30% of my watch hours. And so now I'm like, okay, well, at that rate, I could probably be monetized instead of 3 months, maybe a month or 2 months.
This man touches the algorithm every time he starts back up. A good video won't just get positive feedback. There's going to be some element that turns against you.
Ruslan.
I started posting again for the first time in a long time. And I touched the algorithm on my third video because of controversy.
Zach, you're like a cat with 9 lives, bro.
What do you mean?
You get so many chances to touch the algorithm.
I do.
This man touches the algorithm every time he starts back up. It's ridiculous. People are probably like, yo, if I touch the algorithm as often as Zach,
You're like, they wouldn't give up.
I would be a full-time YouTuber. This is how many
man.
times have you touched it? Seriously, this is at least your third or fourth time.
It's my third.
Third time legitimately touching the algorithm.
So back when I did my freelance filmmaking stuff a lot of years ago, I touched the algorithm a few times. I have some videos that have like 60,000 views.
Okay.
But those were like more that was the SEO era.
Okay.
And then stopped doing it then took a long break, started back up, shot a set of videos. One of those was the Sha'Carri Richardson when she she was supposed to win the Olympics. She lost and made a video about that. And then that one did 10,000 views. Yep. The other one's, regular 50 views, 100 views, whatever. Right. And then I stopped. I pivoted, thought I was going to be a UFC commentator on YouTube.
You're literally just changing your niche multiple times.
Yeah, I was just like, That's what? Amazing. I'm messing around here. And that one, one of those popped and did 10,000 views as well.
And now this is the biggest one that's popped.
This is the biggest one that's popped, and this is the best one.
This is the best one.
Because I actually, in a way, use the niche training.
Yep. This channel, this video.
I haven't even posted enough videos. It says 1 out of 6.
1 out of 6. This video might get you monetized as well. That's the cool thing is one video could get you monetized.
Yeah.
Like one video can get you monetized.
Well, yeah, I mean,
one good video.
So this is what happened is that I shot a video, posted it, and it did I was like, oh, it touched the algorithm.
Yep.
It got 600 views.
Yep.
I was like, cool.
Yep.
I can keep doing that.
Yep.
Posted a second video. It was lighter, 300 views or so. And then this was my third video I posted. And before this one popped off, I looked at my watch hours, and it said I got about 60 watch hours in the past 2 days from my previous posts. So I was like, all right, let's assume 60 watch hours per 3 videos.
Okay.
It's going to take me about 80 to 100 videos to be monetized.
Yep.
I was like, that's very reasonable. That's about 3 months, assuming some of them get a little bit more than others.
Yep. Yep.
And then I posted this video. So this video was timing.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So this thing popped off, you sent it to me.
Yep.
And I immediately was like, oh, awesome. This is talking about contracts.
Yes. Yes.
Since I did the niche training,
yes,
I knew that I'm most qualified to talk about freelance filmmaking.
Yes. Freelance filmmaking and kind of the back end of the business side of YouTube.
Well, yeah, and so
that's kind of what you're an expert in.
I didn't want to talk about freelance filmmaking.
Okay.
So I was like, what else am I involved in? Well, I also do marketing day to day. Every single day we're here.
Yes.
In back end of business and stuff like that. Yep. I'm also interested in side hustles. So I said, let me make it a little bit more generic. Let me do reaction content to leverage my humor. Let me do some reaction content to some crazy side hustles and businesses and talk about just stuff around marketing.
Yep.
So based off of that, I was like, okay, I see this video pop up from Steven Crowder and they're talking about contracts and it's like the business side of it. And I was like, oh, great, cool. I'm gonna talk about this. Let me figure out what my take is. Then we, had to go into the studio. We shot a video about it. We shot a second video about it. All that time I'm trying to
which are all, by the way, underperforming this video.
Yeah,
which
exactly.
is interesting.
And so I
thought our videos were pretty good. There's
Yeah,
a pretty
I
good
agree.
analysis across both videos, and they weren't super long. But this video, 16%.
Yeah.
16% click-through rate, guys. That's pretty amazing.
By the time we shot our video, then we shot a follow-up video. I kind of had a different take. Before I was just kind of review the whole beef. And then I was like, oh, I think this is about marketing. I think this is a better take. So I don't know anything about contracts. So if we're going back to the niche training, I was like, I can't really talk about whether it's a good contract or not. I don't have any of that experience. I'm unqualified. But I was like, oh, if we're gonna talk about fear-based marketing, because this video is, the concept is Steven Crowder is saying that Daily Wire is in bed with big tech and you should sign up for his premium service, which is like, okay, cool. It's fear-based marketing.
Yes.
I want to say that this is the real big con. And so then this video was a lot more punchy. By the time I actually had it done, edited, and finished, the timing of it too, like Steven Crowder already had his 2 response videos out. Daily Wire, a bunch of their hosts had their stuff out, and it was really booming. It was really taking off. And then I put my video out, and I'm thinking, if this does 500 views, that'll be great. But I also hit publish and know I'm coming for their boy. Like if they see this, if Steven Crowder's people see this, I'm coming for their boy and they're mad.
Because a good video won't just get positive feedback. There's going to be some element that turns against you. And people are afraid to go there in the comment section.
I mean, a video that's going to pop off. You can make a really good video that's only positive feedback generally. But
it's not going to pop.
It's not going to pop.
Not going to pop. Okay, so some people are asking about this niche training, so I want to make sure you guys know that this niche training, this is this training that Zach took. So here's a little preview on what that is.
You want to know the main reason new creators fail on YouTube? They don't know who they're creating videos for, and they don't have any purpose behind their videos. This turns the whole process of shooting videos into a tedious chore that will eventually lead to burnout. And trust me when I tell you, I have been there. If you want to discover exactly what type of videos you should make that will increase your chances of success on YouTube and help you avoid burnout, sign up below for my free Master My Niche training. This training will walk you through a custom system that will help you get clarity on the niche of your channel and help you make videos that you should be creating.
And by the way, sometimes YouTube kills us in the algorithm when we send people to websites.
Yeah.
That's a whole nother hack. But
man.
mastermyniche.com. We're not saying .com anymore. .com, because we have a theory on that. Okay, so let's watch some of this video. And the point here, guys, is that Zach didn't figure this kind of overlap of niches out until he went back and actually did the niche training, which so many people refuse to do. And there's nothing wrong with figuring it out as you go. Just know it's going to take you longer. That's it. Again, we covered this on this channel.
Yeah.
He kind of took the same take. I don't know if you shot this first or you gave the take here first, but it's kind of the same take, just a little more sauced up.
Yeah.
And then you're still using you shoot a couple videos at once.
I actually shot this after we did once I fleshed out the take.
Got it.
I went home and I was like, I'm exhausted, but I have to.
Yeah. Now, you said do you shoot a couple videos in one setting or you shoot one video?
Well, I just decided in the middle of the week that I was going to, I'm going to start posting Monday through Friday, and it was Wednesday, so I had nothing shot up. And so then I was waking up, editing a video before coming to the studio, then coming home, shooting a video in the morning, edit, and I got in rat race. So now on the weekends, I'm batch shooting like 3 or 4.
There you go.
So that
batch
in the middle of the week, I can find something that sparks up, something like that.
Okay, let's play this.
This is the video Steven Crowder does not want you to see. This week, he let out a video accusing Daily Wire of being in bed with big tech and the leftist media. And this all came about because Daily Wire sent him over a contract to join Daily Wire. So the internet is up in storm and everyone's looking at this contract. Is it fair? Is it not fair? Is Steven Crowder right? Are they in bed with Big Con? But what if I told you it's not about the contract? In this video, we're going to explore what this...
Did you write that out word for word?
No.
Okay, yeah, so you're literally just freestyling.
Yeah.
How many takes did that take?
2.
2 takes. And then so how long total, it's a 6-minute video, how long total did it take you to shoot the video?
About 20 minutes.
20-minute video?
Or, no, probably less. Probably like 15 minutes, yeah.
How long did it take you to edit the video?
30 minutes.
So you're talking about a 30-minute video, one commitment to a 30-minute video because he knows the niche. He thought through the angle, right? He can communicate a bit. And that one video gets you about at least halfway to your monetization goal.
Well, it got me 25%. So I literally pretty much starting from zero because I didn't have any uploads in a long time. So I was like, all right, cool, I'm good. And then this video is now it's at 1,100 watch hours. So watch time, that's pretty much all from that one video. Okay, in one video, I got 30% of my watch hours. And so now I'm like, okay, well, at that rate, I could probably be monetized instead of 3 months, maybe a month or 2 months if I can get another.
You bang out a couple of these videos, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, exactly. So, and then I just pretty much used our format. I just said, all right, I'm gonna shoot an intro, and then I'm just gonna one take the rest of it.
Yep.
And then the intro will be the only part to sauce up, and then I'm gonna think about the packaging a little bit.
Yep.
So I spent some time, figured out I wanted to do I am Big Con, because that's his thing. He's saying they're a big con, and then Steven Crowder doesn't want you to see this video.
That's a great take.
Pretty simple.
Great take.
But I woke up and I was like, oh snap! It has 155 views because it didn't load. I was like, it's doing good. And then I went to the comments and it had like 60 comments at the time, and I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah. And the point of this, guys, is just to show you guys, like, if you work the system works. Yes. A lot of you guys don't work the system. A lot of you guys aren't thoughtful about your expertise with regards to the system, or you're not considering the packaging, or you're fumbling through the first 30 seconds. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. My name is... No one cares. No one cares.
Yeah.
No one freaking cares. Get to the point.
It's tempting too, even after I got this video, to think that now people are going to be watching my next video and be like, wow, crazy weekend, guys, but we're back in the studio.
Cut that out.
You cut that out.
Cut that out. No one cares.
My next video is just straight into it.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
So.
Yep. So there you go, guys. There's Zach Sparazzo in real time working the system. The system works if you work the system. And so that has us inspired to add additional segments to our daily streams that you could take, repurpose, and now you have additional uploads.
That'd be awesome.
Right? And so it's like, as he's refining this, he's going to be able to leverage some of the stuff we're already doing that maybe it might even be the same exact video. You just talk a little bit longer, and on my version, you talk a little less.
Yeah, and then I'll probably just intro it and
you intro
it in my set, so it feels like custom.
You want to know the main reason new creators fail on YouTube? They don't know who they're creating videos for, and they don't have any purpose behind their videos. This turns the whole process of shooting videos into a tedious chore that will eventually lead to burnout. And trust me when I tell you, I have been there. If you want to discover exactly what type of videos you should make that will increase your chances of success on YouTube and help you avoid burnout, sign up below for my free Master My Niche training. This training will walk you through a custom system that will help you get clarity on the niche of your channel and help you make videos that you should be creating.